Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this video, we are going to see the next Python interview question. See how to extract real and imaginary values. How to extract real and imaginary values from complex number. If you have any complex number is there, from that complex number, how we are going to extract real and imaginary part. Let us take one simple example. Assume I have one complex number is there with 3 plus 2j. Let me check, print the value of x and check whether it is a complex number or not. Yes. If you print x, we are going to get 3 plus 2j. And if you ask type of x, it is going to return it is of type complex, like that we have. Now I want to extract, okay, I want to extract real values from this. How you can extract? Very simple. We can print x dot, there is one special attribute is there with name real. Real. What this attribute is going to do? It will extract real part from the given complex number. But please make sure the output is always floating point value. Now I want to check up to this. You can see we are getting 3.0 or not. Yes. Similarly, if you want to extract imaginary values, x dot imag we have to use. The output what we are getting is nothing but what is the imaginary part? 2.0. Like this we will get. So we can use two special attributes to extract real and imaginary part from the complex number. If you take that complex object dot real, what it is going to do? It returns real value from complex number or from complex object. So in which format? In floating point form. Same thing, obj dot, if you take imag, it is going to return, it returns imaginary value from complex object. So in which format? Floating point form only it will return, floating point form only it will return. Like this we have, sir. I think you got very clear clarity about this eighth question, how to extract real values and imaginary values from the complex number. It is a very important question for the interviews, those who are attending Python interviews. So this is nothing but a question where you people are going to get somewhat a confusion, or there may be a chance of asking this question even in the multiple choice questions also. Okay, please be prepared. Thank you, friends.